Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is KINGSfx Trader right here. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing to this channel, okay? If you are my subscriber, you already know how we do it. Start liking the video. Don't forget to leave a comment. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. All right, so in this video I want to show you how I entered this trade. I think I recorded everything step by step, even my entry, everything. Okay, you're going to see it. By watching this video or going through this thing, you can see that it's actually easy. Sometimes some analysis are very easy. You must not be adding lines all the time or putting different indicators up and down. You understanding understanding the psychology behind the price movement can help you a lot. Help you make your work more easier, and you'll be more profitable when you understand how the price move, why the price move, and all that. And that is exactly how I entered this trade. Okay, so before I proceed, don't forget, I dropped this signal on my Telegram group anyways. Yeah, I drop it on my Telegram group, so if you want to join, it's free of charge, free. Okay, so I will drop the link also here. Then I'm also organizing a 1 week intensive training. Okay, if you have been chatting me up, or you kind of sent me message for some time, and you discover that I've not been replying or responding to messages, I am very, very sorry, and I will fix that as soon as possible. I am actually concentrating on the course I'm creating, a crash course from the kind of beginner aspect of forex trading to advanced level. Okay, so that is exactly what I've been working on. So in this 1 week, I want to give you a kind of tip of iceberg of what I'm preparing. Okay, I'm going to be giving out my personal strategy in this 1 week class. So if you want to join the training, okay, if you want to join the training, it's going to be 1 week intensive training. So if you want to join, I'm going to leave a link to the group. Okay, please, if you know that you don't need this, don't join the group, please. In fact, I'm going to drop a WhatsApp group, okay, so that the I will not have much people in this training. Okay, because if I should drop Telegram, many people, even people who don't even want, they just want to be there, and they will start asking you different questions. They might come there and start asking me for signals. So this is not for signals. This group is not signal group. Join my Telegram group if you want. This one I'm going to drop is just for 1 week intensive training. Okay, it's going to be intensive, and I'm going to give out one of my personal strategy in the course of the training, guys. So if you want to join, the link will be in the description of this video. All right, so let's dive into it immediately.
You can see my entry anyway, though I entered pretty much very early in the trade, but it's going to be massive drop. Okay, there's going to be a massive drop, so I will still show you the result, how it drops and every other stuff. Okay, so I'm trying to flip this account. I actually entered another trade. Okay, you can see it's $100 account. Okay, so let's see how we are going to flip this account with this drop on crash 500. So I have to enter another trade because I know it's going to drop massively very soon. So let's watch and see.
Yeah, the first spike came, but it was small, so I will still hold. You have already seen my stop loss level. Then my take profit is going to be ×3 of my stop loss. So let's keep watching and see how it goes. You can see we had the second drop. All right, so we are looking for more drops. I dropped this. I think I dropped this immediately when I entered. After entering my first trade, I dropped it on this group. So what I'm just trying to do is not actually telling you that I'm a god in the market or I know everything. No, all these things are a result of hard work. You have to keep grinding to get to know all those secrets. Then remember, nobody's god. Even as this trade is going in our favor now, we can still, this trade can reverse and go and hit our stop loss. So it's not like any signal, anything is 100%, guys. But the important thing is that you are profitable. That's the most important thing in forex trading, that you are profitable is the most important thing. It's not about you not losing a trade. There's no way you will not lose a trade. But at the end of the day, are you profitable? That is the question. So let's just keep watching and see how this thing goes. So we had the next spike. So we keep watching. We keep watching. We keep watching. So as it goes in our favor, we keep watching. We stick to our trading plans. Okay. So I've been on this trade for quite some time. I just discovered it's finding it difficult to break this level right here. Okay, this particular support level there. So once it breaks, we are going to be having drops like massively, and that's what I'm waiting for. That is exactly what I'm looking out for. So I still have to hold the trade to see this price break from that support level, so that I will enjoy. I have to be patient enough. Okay, this is a kind of 50-50 stuff. Either you take your profit at this moment and avoid hitting your stop loss, or you wait patiently for a breakout, taking the risking the little money you have made already for a breakout here. So once the price breaks from this little support right here, we are going to be enjoying. This previous swing low is going to be massively dropping. Okay, so I have to wait. I've already set my stop loss. I've already checked my risk. I think I'm comfortable. If I should lose, if you should hit my stop loss, there's no issue at all. So let's see. All right, so you can see we are still having those drops. So we are pushing. We want to flip the account anyways. With this one now, you can see after the price breaks this support level, I'm going to shift my stop loss down to this point, so that I will shift my stop loss to my entry point, because we are going to be having a massive drop down. Okay, you can see our entry. Once it breaks here, this price breaks this support level, that means we are going massively down. All right, so but I'm using a higher time frame to analyze this trade anyways. If you come down to lower time frame, like 5 minutes time frame or 15 minutes, you might be seeing some fake signals and some certain things that might discourage you. You can see we had something like double bottom right here. That's why I'm waiting for a breakout before I will comfortably shift my stop loss down to my another spike came, guys. You can see the that points have been broken, so we are waiting to see more spikes, more drops. Okay, so our account is coming up. And we are happy. So let's see how it goes. I will pause this video and I will continue as the price keep playing according to our analysis. Yeah, still holding the trade. Currently on a pullback, but we are going to have a spike. We are going to be having drops very soon to push the price down. We have confirmed a kind of breakout right now, so probably we are going to be having more spikes down. Okay, so the only thing I have to do now is I have to shift my stop loss. I have to shift my stop loss to my entry point. Okay, that should be my entry point too, this point, or I'm going to bring it down to this level. Okay, so I'm going to start locking in my profit to level that should be 6202. Okay, 6202. I'm using, anyways, it's just kind of flipping account, so I'm using the lowest lot size, so that in order to manage my account well. Okay, 6202. Stop loss 6202. Okay, let me keep it this way. Copy, modify. All right, so modify the second one. I'm going to paste.
buy. All right, so now our stop loss is now above at this point. So let's see how it goes. So no matter how the price, whatever the price is doing, we know that we are still going to be in profit. Okay, so I think I have to show you how I enter this trade and why I enter this trade. Okay. All right, so looking at this formation, I discovered these quick rejections up there. You know, the price have been trending down for a very long time. You can see the price has been down. Okay, so this is the current pullback after this point here. The price, that is double bottom right there, the price has actually pulled back again, okay, to this point. You can see the previous impulsive move here, then pull back, another impulsive move, and now the price is currently on a pullback. As the price just pulled back before I discovered the candlestick pattern right there, which is the green candlestick, which is the shooting star. So I have to go down to 4 hours time frame, and when I went down to 4 hours time frame, I discovered a strong resistance. Okay, you can see here, this is the resistance level, guys. You can see this point. I want to this point here is there was a kind of that point is a resistance point. Okay, so you can see another point here, which is another resistance. Okay, that same point. Okay, so look at it here again. So let me just pick a, okay, let me put it this way, okay, to show you what I'm talking about. Sorry, just wanted to show you why I entered the trade and why I'm still holding the trade. Okay, if you look at this point, you can see this is a clear resistance point, guys. So when the price pull back to that point using this green candlestick right here, you can see this green candlestick, the price pull back there. So I discovered that is a very strong resistance point or zone. So I have to enter my trade at that point after I see some reaction that is going to hold. Okay, so I entered my trade there, and I keep riding the trade. So I actually used a higher time frame for this trade, that is 4 hours time frame and daily time frame. Then when I checked my 1 hour time frame, I discovered after a pullback, I discovered the pullback at that point. Okay, so after the pullback, there was also a candlestick pattern right there. Okay, you can see this also a bearish candlestick pattern right there. So after that bearish after the formation, then I entered my trade. Okay, so confirming my entry. So we keep riding the trade down. You can see how perfectly it's working. Now currently we're on a pullback. So if I want to enter more trade, I'll enter more trade somewhere here. Okay, to keep riding in profit. But I just needed to kind of manage my losses. I've already entered 2 trades here. You can see it's a small account, that's why I'm using the lowest loss size, guys. So if you are flipping a small account, you need to understand to avoid risking high. Okay, avoid risking high. Know that you need to reduce your loss size. Okay, you need to bring your loss size down and make sure that you are not risking almost half of your account. Okay, so that you won't just blow your account within maybe by taking 2 or 3 or 4 wrong trade. Okay, I think that is just basically how I enter this trade. Just looking at the price action, understanding how the price is going, just understanding the psychology behind the price movement will help you when you are trading. Okay, so we are going to be expecting more spikes after this little pullback. If I should go down to 15 minutes time frame, okay, so we're expecting spikes more to push this price down to this point. The next point I'm expecting a kind of resistance again, sorry, a support again, should be, let me zoom. Okay, so look at my first, where I'll be taking profit entirely from here. I'll be taking my profit. Okay, I've already started locking in profits anyways, but I will take profits anywhere from here, like completely. I will just close my trade
anywhere around here, because it might come here and start ranging. The price have been trending down for a very long time, so I'm speculating that once the price come down to this point, the price will start ranging at this point. Okay, so the price might come here, you see the price range and keep going. So I wouldn't like to be in the kind of on this trade when these things will be happening. Okay, so I just needed to take some pips out of this market. Okay, so that is it. I just decided to show you how I entered this trade and how the trade is going and what I'll be doing. Okay, I've already set my stop loss at this point. You can see my stop loss here. So as the trade keep pushing, I keep shifting my stop loss till we move down to this point somewhere down here. Anywhere here, that's where I'll be taking my profit. Okay, so guys, that is it for this signal and the video. I actually explained how I entered this trade, so it's a kind of both signal and also teaching you how to just analyzing the market, opening when you open your chart, how you can actually analyze the chart without keep drawing and putting indicators and every other stuff. Just look at what the price is doing, look at the movements of the price, and you'll be able to speculate the next movement, okay, or the next point or the next direction the price will be going. Okay, so that is it for this, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.